Alright, this is the elevator here at Guadalajara International Airport, Terminal 1 in Guadalajara, Mexico. I think this is Hall A. I'm not so sure exactly because this is the remote boarding position. Unfortunately, the right car is broken, so this is an Otis Gen2. So that's right. Gotta love that blue LED light. And here it is. Let me just point this down because there may be somebody on it. It's pretty huge. So we're gonna go up to PA. It's an Otis Gen2 installed in 2016. So here at PA. Alright. Well, we need to point this away because there's.
Es que cambiaron su puerta. Pero ahorita me los llevo otra vez a su puerta. ¿Bajas o qué?
Bajo, sí.
Y cuando le preguntan que si son suyos es porque
Yo los subí.
usted
Yo los
y
subí.
ustedes tienen otro
Sí,
que hacer.
sí.
¿Y si ya está ocupado al otro lado?
Pues me nos apoyamos todos. Por eso ella me preguntó que si se los llevamos, me los llevaba.
Oh.
Alright, well, it's taking forever to. These doors. This is such a humongous elevator, so we're going for another ride. And here at PA. Alright, let's do some quick plane spotting, shall we? So there it goes for now. Right there are your escalators here. Right there is Polaris. That's the A321 NX aircraft. And right there's United. There's Aeromexico and the Volaris. Gotta love these videos of those planes. It's a sunny day here in Guadalajara, so alright. Yeah, it's an NX aircraft, so alright. Yeah, look how beautiful the city looks. And way down there is the A320 of Volaris, normal A320, so alright, well, there are escalators again, so anyways, let's head back down now. Cut. Alright, down to PB and one at there. Let's do a cab view. Such a nice Otis Gen2 elevator. It's so bright. Here are the fixtures and the indicator here at PB. Alright. You have it now. Alright, there it goes.